Hello, Jailer Shark here with Meatloaf. You've not met Meatloaf yet. Meatloaf is my guinea pig. He, not quite sure, what are you? Don't know, is lovely. Anyway, let's give Meatloaf over. Thank you very much. You take Meatloaf and put her away, him away, it away. Thanks. Right, if you want to know what the weather's doing this week, we normally go, hey, Sean, what's the weather doing this week? But Sean's not here. No, he's not. He's off doing some movie. He signed an NDA, so he can't talk about it. So wish. Anyway, so I'm going to do the weather, so we're going to go to me right now and see what the weather's doing for this week. Jay, what's the weather doing? Thanks, Jay. Right, on to the weather. Just me today, because Sean's very busy doing some movie stuff which I can't talk about. Shh, it's a secret. We've signed some NBA agreement, so he's off playing for the Boston Celtics or the Chicago Bulls, I think. It's a great joke, that. No one ever gets it. Anyway, here we go. We're going to use windy, because we always use windy. Why do we use windy? We use windy because it shows us what the wind's doing. And the wind dictates pretty much what the weather patterns are here in Phuket. And especially tells us if it's going to be a little bit bumpy out at sea. So this is Sunday the 16th. And as you can see, it's beautiful. Blue is really good. Purple is even better. And look at it. So Phuket here, Phang Nga Bay here, Phi Phi down here. Looks amazing. So you can go out today if you want to. Obviously, if you're watching this on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, then you can't because it's in the past. Unless you've got a DeLorean, you go back to the future. There you go. 90s reference for you. Anyway, Sunday looks really good. Now let's look at Monday the 17th. Ooh, so the wind's still coming from this way, which is our normal wind conditions for this time of year. A little bit of green down the bottom, but nothing to worry, or nothing too much to worry about. Green means it's a little bit windier. If it's yellow, that's bad. Don't go out on a yellow day because it can be really bumpy. But look, little beautiful. Phang Nga Bay is always going to be sheltered, especially when the wind's coming from this way. It's a great place to go because it's always going to be flat up there because it's sheltered by Krabi and Phuket. Look, and Phang Nga. Lovely. Right, let's look at Tuesday. Tuesday looks pretty similar to Monday. Surprise, surprise. Tuesday the 18th. Nice again. Pretty nice up here. Phi Phi's not too bad. What's it look like in the afternoon? Oh, afternoon's quite nice as well. Yeah, Tuesday looks good. Wednesday. Oh no! Wednesday! Wednesday looks a little bit windy in the morning, but nothing too bad. Bit greeny coming here, so it might be a little bit bouncy down going towards Phi Phi, but nothing too bad. Wednesday afternoon. Oh, it's a little bit more windy on Wednesday afternoon, which is interesting because that's not the normal pattern. Normally it's windier in the morning and it settles down in the afternoon due to sea breezes, which is the air pressure warming up the land and coming. Anyway, we won't get into that. But yeah, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday 19th looks a little bit bumpy. Thursday, oh my word, what happened? All gone. Thursday morning looks amazing. Look at that, purple everywhere. Thursday's a great day to go out. I might go out on Thursday. Oh, I can't, I'm teaching. That's a shame. Right, Thursday afternoon, very interesting. The wind's now coming straight down from the north, which is odd. Very strange direction for it to come to. But Wednesday afternoon looks really good as well. Friday the 21st. Oh my God! Friday 21st looks amazing. Look at that, purple everywhere. All purple in Phang Nga Bay and down to Phi Phi. So Friday looks like an awesome day to go out. Friday afternoon. Whoa, wowzers! Look at that, purple streak coming right across here. Very nice. So Friday afternoon looks amazing. And then Saturday the 22nd, a little bit more windy on Saturday the 22nd, but nothing to worry about. And then Saturday afternoon on the 22nd looks lovely too. So basically, all of next week looks amazing to go out. So if you are booked for a boat for next week, good for you. If you haven't booked for a boat for next week, hurry up. We don't have any boats left. Right, the other thing we look at is this is our acute weather forecast. This is just standard weather forecast. It just gives you the temperatures. Now, this time of year, it will say the same thing. 33, you probably can't see, it's probably a bit small on the camera, but look, 33, 33, 32, 32, 33, 35 on Friday and Saturday. That's the days where it did look it was going to get really not much wind on Friday and Saturday, hence why it's going to be scorchio, baby. There's a little bit, this does say a little bit of rain, 40%, maybe a chance of rain, 43%, nothing too much. On Sunday, that's today, there's a 2% chance of rain. Now, when it comes to the 2% chance of rain, that doesn't mean the whole of Phuket is going to rain 2% of the day. No, it means there might be a chance of rain somewhere in Phuket, and there's a 2% chance that it might rain somewhere in the whole of this beautiful paradise island that we live on. And that's how it works. Tuesday's interesting. Tuesday says it's going to rain, there's 60%. What did the windy say on Tuesday? Let's go back to Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon? No, I don't see that. Strange, isn't it? That's weather forecast for you. And one that I have to do is a TMD weather radar Phuket, which is pointless. Absolutely pointless, because this just shows what's happening right this minute. So it doesn't matter when you watch this, it's already gone. Once again, you need to get in your DeLorean and come back in time to see it. But this is something that Sean has on his screen all day long when he's at work, just to see the radar and the little bit of rain coming in here. But that's really down south, and that's happening today as we're recording this, so it doesn't really matter, doesn't affect you. So there we go, there's your weekly weather update with me, Jay the Shark. It looks like it's going to be an amazing week. Sunday looks good, Monday looks good, Tuesday looks good, Wednesday looks good, Friday looks, Wednesday's a little bit windy, Thursday looks great, Friday looks great, Saturday looks great, Sunday next week looks good too. There you go, that's your weekly update. If you have any questions or you are coming to Phuket in the future, you want to know what the weather's doing on November the 12th at 2 p.m, please comment below and I will send you my usual reply. Thanks for watching, bye!